Type-C adapter fast charging PD30W dual USB port car charger. GaN super fast Type-C GaN Tech chargers for Samsung S21 Plus, S20 to TA800 TA845 USB-C power adapter. It's your upgrade for Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, 21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra, S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, S20 FE. Europe AC plug 30W dual USB port GaN Type-C USB-C charger for Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e, S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S8 Active, Galaxy Note 20, Note Series, Note 9, Note 8, Galaxy S Series, Tab Series. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.